My new friend.
Vorne, da stellt keine Sau.
My new
Der
friend.
Junge sagt nichts. Was gerade in der Flur und eben meine Treppe.
He's not a wrestler, huh?
Nein. I
He's
can wrestle you when you want, huh?
Really? You met Batista?
No.
No? John Cena?
Hulk Hogan.
You?
Hulk Hogan.
This one look alike of Brad Pitt. This is one wrestler like Batista.
Batista.
Our Filipino. This is Pomeranz. David Pomeranz. David Pomeranz. No? About me.
Ja, wer bist du? Charles Bronson.
Transporter.
We say to you, Charles Bronson, you look like Charles Bronson.
Ah, Charles Bronson. Really, ah? They're my friend. All of them. I take care their internet connection.
Yeah, but it don't works.
Really, ah? This is our band. Inside there. Pomeranz and Frank.